Welcome to our guided meditation session designed to help you manage and alleviate chronic pain. Today we'll explore how the power of meditation can create a space of comfort and ease within your body and mind. Chronic pain is not just a physical sensation. It's an experience that can profoundly affect your emotional and mental well-being. Meditation offers us a way to address pain from a holistic perspective, providing relief not only on a physical level, but also promoting healing and peace in our emotional landscape. Through this practice, we'll learn to observe our pain without judgment, understand its nature, and discover how to bring a sense of calm and acceptance to our experience. Remember, this time is for you. A chance to connect deeply with yourself and find a sanctuary of peace within your own being. As we move through today's session, I encourage you to maintain an open heart and mind, allowing the transformative power of meditation to work within you. Let's gently turn our awareness to our bodies with a guided body scan, focusing specifically on areas where we experience pain. Start at the top of your head once more, but this time, gently observe any sensations you encounter as you mentally scan down your body. If you come across areas of discomfort or pain, don't try to change or resist these sensations. Instead, acknowledge them with kindness and without judgment. Imagine your breath reaching these areas, carrying warmth and compassion. As you exhale, picture the discomfort softening, the edges of the pain blurring and dissolving. Move your awareness slowly from your head, down your neck and shoulders, through your torso, arms, and hands, and then through your hips, legs, and feet. This mindful observation helps us not only to recognize where we hold pain, but also to understand that we are not our pain. We are observers of it, capable of bringing ourselves relief and compassion. As we conclude our meditation session, I want to leave you with a final moment of relaxation. Take one more deep breath, filling your lungs with air, feeling your body from within. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or discomfort. Allow your body to feel light, peaceful, and at ease. Carry this feeling of calm with you, knowing that you have the tools and the strength to manage your pain and improve your well-being. Remember that this practice, this sanctuary of peace, is always here for you whenever you need it. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May you have a restful, pain-free day or night ahead. Be well, take care of yourself, and remember that you are not alone in your journey. Goodbye for now, and I wish you all the best on your path to healing and peace.